All right, here we have 2017, I believe. 2018 Mitsubishi Mirage 1.2. We're gonna be doing the transmission fluid. You want to get everything from the dealership. It's way easier. Got 3 quarts. Genuine Mitsubishi. We got the external oil filter and the internal filter. So we're gonna be taking off the pan. I have it already jacked up. We're gonna take off this plastic cover here just to give us more room. Got a drain plug there. Don't know what size, but it looks like a 19, maybe a 21. All these bolts and drop it down. We're not doing nothing internal. We're just replacing the inner filter here. I believe it doesn't have a gasket. It doesn't seem like it has a gasket, so it's just gotta be the gasket maker or silicone. We gotta clean it up, and we're gonna get it done. Now we do have to take off that tire there, or maybe not. Actually, no. To get access to the filter, which is this right here. There's a little cap right here. There's a filter there. Right now the car was driving, so it's still kind of warm, kind of hot, so you gotta be careful. But there's it seems like a 10 millimeter right there, and we can take that thing off. Maybe we might not have to take off the tire. So I'm going to put you on a tripod, and we'll go and do this here step by step. But first, we gotta take off this plastic just to give us more room. All right, let me put you on the tripod. All right, so here we are. So basically, you have a tool like this. You can take off these tabs. Depending how old the car is, it might break. Alright, we're gonna get this thing off. See, like this one here is broken. It's alright, we're gonna replace it. But this little tool here helps you a lot. Let me take off the last one and we'll be right back. Alright, so here we got. This one here is actually a 19. He said, so they're just gonna warm, so you gotta be careful. You get burned with the hot oil. Ooh. And this thing looks pretty black, so it's been a while. I don't know how many miles this car has, but they haven't replaced this transmission oil for a while. Now this is a CVT, so I would recommend at least every 20 to 30,000 miles to do it. So I don't know how long it's been. Now we're gonna do this one here today. All right, let it drain out, and then I'll be right back. All right, now you can't see it, but I went ahead and took off that 10 millimeter off. We're gonna twist that cap, take it off. You gotta be careful, there's oil there. This thing has an O-ring, so it's gonna be kind of tough to take it off, but it'll come off. Just gotta make it turn. It has a little lock too there, a little tab. Okay. We're gonna take it off. We're back. All right, when I took it off, this is how it looks like. There's a flap right there. You gotta turn it kind of like 60 degrees or something. But this is how it looks. That's where it goes. As you can see it, there it is. We're gonna replace the O-ring. It goes right here, and the filter. The cartridge, paper cartridge. All right, this has been draining But I want to do the top first. And of course, remember, clean this. You gotta clean it up after this mess right here. We'll clean it up. So I'll have the new one right here. Straight from Mitsubishi. There it is. Alright, let's get it going. Alright, so we're gonna be now we here we already did the one on top, now we're gonna do this one inside. We're gonna take off all this. I believe they're I don't know, like 20 little bolts right here, 10 millimeters. I'll take this thing off and we're gonna drop this pan and dump whatever's in there in here. Clean up the magnets. But let me go ahead and take care of that and I'll be right back. I'll show you the inside. Alright, so here are the magnets, 2 of them. One right here. Take them off. This fine dust right here, which is it's okay. So we're gonna clean all this up right here. There's an old gasket. We're gonna put a new one on and get it back on where it goes. Alright. So here it is. Use the inside. Use the inside filter, internal filter. We're gonna take off this 10 millimeters. There's 3 of them. Yeah, 3 of them. One right here, 2, 3, and then we're just gonna pull that thing out. And the way you take it off, the way you put it back in. You gotta make sure you clean all this surface right here. Same with the pan. Got it right there. Got the new gasket right there ready. And let's go ahead and take this thing off. Let me go ahead and take off those stands and I'll pull it out. There's nothing special there. There's no O-ring or anything like that. Oh, there is no right here. Look, be careful with that thing. Okay, you got the O-ring. Now let's go ahead and put the new one on. Let me take it out. You got 10 millimeters. Press it in. Push the dogs. Alright, we're gonna put this back on and we're back. Alright, so where it is, we put everything back already all together. Now I just gotta put it on the plate. Then when you took it off, you gotta put it back on. There's about, I don't know, like 15, 20 bolts. So that's it. Fill it back up, start it up, and go through the gears, shift them in place, and that's it. Thank you for watching. Hopefully this helped you out. Easy work. Do it. Make money.